So hi! Welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano nga ba magpalit ng chat background sa ating Telegram. But first, can you subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And if you want to learn more, just keep on watching and let's start. So ayan guys, for today's video, i-open lang natin ng ating Telegram account or yung ating Telegram app. And dito guys, mag-open lang ako ng isang conversation and ipapakita ko sa inyo yung itsura ng aking chat. So ayan guys, ganito yung itsura ng aking chat themes. So kung gusto nyo palitan, ganito lang yung gagawin natin. So itap lang natin yung 3 horizontal lines na nandito sa upper left corner. And then piliin natin dito yung settings. At dito guys, piliin naman natin yung chat settings. So, ayan dito na natin papalitan yung ating chat wallpaper or yung ating chat background. So, tap lang natin to guys. And ayan dito, pwede na tayong mamili or pwede na natin itong ipalit sa ating chat theme. So, ito kasi guys yung lalabas sa pinakang background ng ating conversation once na may kausap tayo or may ka-chat tayo sa Telegram. So, ayan guys, ganito yung mga itsura niya. So, marami ditong pwedeng pagpilian. So, try natin to. So, halimbawa, ito yung gusto nyo, itatap nyo lang dito yung set background. And ayan. Ganito yung preview niya guys sa ating pinakang conversation. Ganyan yung magiging itsura niyang background. So, try pa natin yung ibang design. So, ito guys. So, set background lang natin. And ayan, ganyan yung lalabas. So, try natin sa ating pinakang chat. So, ayan guys, ganyang lalabas sa ating pinakang conversation once na pinala natin yung ating chat wallpaper o yung chat background. So, ayun lang guys, ganun lang kasimple kung paano nga ba magpalit ng chat wallpaper sa ating Telegram. If you have a question, can you comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for my new updates. And thank you for watching!
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.